Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. And last night I made a couple videos about the navigator and the difference between the zoom. So if you zoom in and then you can go up here and hit the pan tool and then you can pan items around. Well, there's actually something, and the reason I have a picture of your mouse, there's called a quick pan mode. So if we're on our mouse, with our mouse, we're going to hold down the center turning wheel. You know, you think about turning in and out for zooming, but if we go over this map like we used yesterday, and let's go ahead and get the zoom tool back and let's zoom into this part of the lake. And I'm going to hold down the mouse wheel and you see the pan, and then you could pan back and forth, let go of the mouse and you can zoom in more, hold down the mouse wheel and you could pan. This would be really cool for people drawing stuff like I draw with this map well, like for instance, right there. I don't like that little whoop-de-doo right there. So I'm going to just hold down the mouse wheel and I can pan, and then I can really zoom in, and then I want to correct that. I probably have to ungroup everything and then get the shape tool. Probably have to ungroup the whole thing. Let's ungroup the whole map. Object, group, and ungroup. Now let's see if I can't find that bad. It's not a bad spot, it's just going to look a little funny. And then you could actually take that out and have it more of a flat edge like the road would be. So I'm just going to hold down the mouse wheel, I'll get the pan, and I could pan around. The stuff you're seeing on the edges, I think is my laptop just trying to keep up. But you can just pan around, and then when you're through, just let go of it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit.